Chapter 2. Hello, it's me again. Now, where did we leave off? Oh yes, we talked about Anastasijo and how she found a tool that captures little moments in a mere second. I bet you wish to know all about her new adventures. As I've told you before, she invested her time in getting to know the camera features on her new Samsung S21 Ultra. You see, as a perfectionist, she was always overthinking every aspect of every photo she took. It was all about the set, the light, the angle of the camera, outfits, tripod poses, aperture, shutter speed, ISO. Oh, come on, Anastasijo, you've bitten off more than you can chew. She sometimes even found it hard to take her heavy camera on trips, especially as she was lugging around costumes and equipment too. And she wondered, did you know that there's a camera which does everything you could ever need and it fits in your pocket? Because of Anastasijo's profound find, she decided to give you a little tutorial on how you can create astonishing photos with Samsung S21 Ultra. 1. Find a great light source. 2. Be creative and stack up some books to give your phone a proper support. 3. Place your Samsung S21 Ultra on the books. 4. You don't need to worry about all the jibber-jabber ISO because the camera does it all by itself. 5. Set your timer. 6. Now, strike a pose. Nothing too difficult, see? I really want to talk more, but I'm late for my afternoon tea. But I do hope there's a chapter 3, don't you?